What's up, y'all? We're in the town of Aberdeen, Maryland. There's Ripken Stadium up here. I don't know. I've never been there. Aberdeen Proving Ground. It's a huge Army installation out here. Aberdeen. Aberdeen. Say hello to my sidekick, Raven. She's not happy right now. Ooh. Cute little park. City Hall. Hello, people. These people waved at me. They waved. They're like, hey, how you doing? You're amazing. South Park Barber? God, I wonder if Cartman's there. Would you like to have Cartman cut your hair? That'd be pretty funny. Cute little town. I used to live near here in Harford County, Maryland. I used to come here to shop sometimes. They had a really wonderful restaurant. It's called like the Italian Oven or something. Oh, it was so good. I don't think it's here anymore though. I mean, this was many years ago. Look at that nice church. Pretty church. Pretty church. Cute neighborhoods. Harford County is a little bit cheaper than Baltimore County, but not by much. A lot of people live out here because and then they commute, you know, because it used to be like super cheap out here, but not anymore. Not anymore. Beautiful tree-lined streets. Nice houses. Kind of reminds me of like Nightmare on Elm Street for some reason. I don't know why. Thanks. I dragged my dog along today and she is like beside herself. Like I think some of it has to do with she's hot. Some of it's like she's just bored. Some of it is just like she just is fed up. She hates her mother. She wants out of the car. Oh, little girl skating. Little girl skating. Little girl skating. She's cute. Little girl skating. Little girl skating. Don't hit the little girl, Amy. That would not be a good experience. Not at all. I'd be in jail. really not much to Aberdeen. I mean, it's not like it's like has big, huge shopping and a lot of little mom and pop shops. Undercover comp. Well, they put in a ladle. Uh-oh. That's badass, yo. That's a painful situation. Ouch. You know when they say jokes, but it be real. Ouch. You might take it like they hate you. Pain pills can't even help you. Don't even matter if you're sedated. And you be sweating in that boy. Then why shorty got you waiting? Ouch. Aberdeen, Maryland. It's a Walmart. Alright, y'all. I gotta get gas. And pee. Like, subscribe. Till the next video. Say bye, Raven. Bye.